is about us being overrepresented in a positive way, because often we don't see ourselves in mainstream activities.
And especially in kind of the current political environment that we're in.
There are issues that as a person who is black, as a person who is a woman, you experience inequitable treatment.
So my name is Lady Phyll, a poker gymmer, and I am the CEO of UK Black Pride. I'm a patron of the Kaleidoscope Trust and also a patron for the Albert Kennedy Trust, Schools Are Out and Micro Rainbow.
Hi, I am Professor Marcia Wilson. I am the Pro-Vice Chancellor for Student Experience and Institutional Equity at London Metropolitan University.
Hi, my name is Mia Nemard. My pronouns are she, her. I am the Inclusive Communities Manager within the Centre for Equity and Inclusion here at London Met.
Phyll is very different to Lady Phyll. Lady Phyll is her alter ego, and Phyll is the person that sits on the chair at home with the pug in between her lap.
We are so lucky to have Lady Phyll join us. Not only is her work empowering, there is something about hearing someone talking about being an activist, about creating change, that enables people to feel that they can do the same.
Lady Phyll's background, starting off as like a civil servant, she's worked in unions, she's worked in so many places where she's either had to be very aware of what's going on with like people in this country, the reality of it as the experiences of people in this country, working in spaces where they're challenging all the time, traditionally whatever the narrative in terms of what we should expect, how we should live and what we should be satisfied by. So I think she's important for our students, she's important for our staff, she's important for our community.
Interesting, because I've never made a career out of advocacy and activism. It's something that I've just been born into.
I feel like by default I have skin in the game. I'm black, I'm a woman, I have many characteristics that will kind of be seen to be either disadvantaged or that by default my identity is challenged. I've been in different jobs where I haven't necessarily had specifically like EDI roles, and I've ended up kind of doing that work either unpaid or in a voluntary way, or always still trying to contribute to the building of inclusion work. So I thought, why not get salaried for it?
So I'm in a position of power now where I can really address the inequity. And so it would be a waste of having this platform if I didn't use it in a constructive and productive way.
So many other initiatives I'm involved in, from UK Black Pride to Micro Rainbow to AKT, which is the Albert Kennedy Trust, to Ghanaian solidarity with what's happening at the moment.
So a lot of the work that we're doing at London Met is around addressing the disparities that we see between different groups of students. We have some wicked problems, not only at London Met, but across the sector. So I refer to the degree awarding gap, where certain students, black students, Asian students, students from IMD 1 and 2 are more likely to be awarded a degree that's a 2-2 or a third, as opposed to a first or a 2-1, and we classify the first or a 2-1 as a good degree. So we are working on addressing those disparities and closing those gaps for our students.
All with the aim of addressing those wider challenges of how do we ensure that when people come here, they are successful in whatever way they want to be and whatever they do.